Good evening, ma'am. I am Chris Paul Aquino and I am reporter for tonight. Okay, our topic today is all about language policy. So when we say language policy, it is very important thing that we need to understand because as a Filipino we need to be embrace our language too, because when we were wise about this out to our language, we can easily communicate to other people, and you can shape or you can influence others when your language is very clear and very inevitable when it comes of situation that you face. And pag sinabi nating language policy, it shapes your creativity and critical thinking, or tinatawag na linguistic relatively. And pag sinabi nating language policy, ito yung mga may sinusunod tayong mga alituntunin na kung saan is dapat nating sundin pagdating sa paggamit ng mga language na ating gagamitin. For example na lang is, if you are going to learn other language, you should not stop, or you should not forget your old language or your first language, because it is your foundations to understand the language that you need to learn. And also when you are going to learn other language, you should be knowledgeable first of your own language before to learn other language, because when we were wise about our own language, we can easily to understand others, because we all understand that learning is not just about knowing how to apply the things that we need to do, but it is all about to understand every situation that you face. And also pagdating sa mga bagay na ganun is kailangan natin dapat i-consider yung mga bagay na alam natin, kasi we all understand that education is the key to open multiple doors, that opportunities, the power that no one can never take away from us, and the solution to feel more empowered and transformed. And also naniniwala din ako is na na pag knowledgeable ka sa isang language, is it is your foundation to communicate, to express your emotions, and to accept everything, because sabi nga ni Rizal, ang hindi marunong magmahal sa sariling wika ay daig pa ang hayop at malasang isda. So yun lamang po, pag sinabi nating language policy, ito yung may mga sinusunod nating mga rules, or when it comes of rules, and then yung mga regulation na kailangan nating sundin. Kasi when we say language policy, ito yung if you are a person that can be competitive in every aspect na gagawin mo. For example na lang is, you are going to abroad, and you as a person, if you are competitive, you can easily communicate with them, because you have a strong foundations, which is yung dialect mo. Dapat hindi natin is kinakalimutan yun, kasi napaka-importante yun, yung first language mo. And then yung seconds, which is your Filipino, because I am Filipino, that's my second language. And for me language policy is very important as a Filipino, because we all understand that Filipino is multilingual, and we can easily understand those situation if you are really understand the concepts of the idea of the situation. So yun lamang po. Ako si Chris Paul Jack, and I'm from PSA 2A.